Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is on how to create this audit forms in Looker Studio. So before moving to this, I would request everyone to check out our Looker Studio or Google Data Studio tutorials in the playlist that will help you in understanding how we can create such kind of dashboards easily with the help of the Google Sheets. So you know very well, right, from the Excel sheet you create a dashboard. Now this particular tool basically used to create a dashboard with for the help of the Google Sheet. With the help of Google Sheet we create such kind of dashboard. In this particular thing we are learning today how to add the audit form. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, check out the playlist. You will find 196 videos approximately, wherein there are different type of content related to team leader, quality analyst, trainer, Six Sigma certification, MS Excel dashboards, reports, people management, SME roles and responsibility, WFM. Many more videos are there that will help you in cracking your interview very easily. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to. If you don't know how this dashboard was created, first thing you should watch out our playlist. You will find approximately 6 to 7 videos that will help you to understand how this is basically created. Okay, let's start the concept. So basically this is my Google Sheet. If you are working as a quality analyst or team leader, you know very well we basically do the audits, and we have added all the parameter here, and I added one Google form. Okay, this is for form of the audit form. Okay, if I click here, an audit form will get opened. I created just a dummy audit form. Okay, you can create as per your requirement. Now I want to import all these forms in this particular dashboard. How we can do this? The first thing I need to do is, let me remove everything so that I can guide you easily. Okay, let me try to delete everything. Okay, the first thing, I have added all the audit forms. Okay, I will open one link. Let me delete this sheet also. Okay, this is done. Let me remove everything from here as well. Okay, this is removed. Now this is now complete a blank. We'll start from the starting. So first thing I have to do is I need to add all the forms here. Let me refresh this so that this will work as per our requirement. Okay, reconnect. I'm just refreshing it. This is a way of refreshing. Okay, it's taking time. Yes, it's done. Now nothing we have, everything got removed. This is just a refresh. We have done it so that everything look good. Okay, now everything removed. Let me add a form, or else I can do Control Z. Basically I'm adding a audit form as a title and linking, adding a same form to all the values. Same form I have added for all the values. Now what is the column name I added? Audit form. Okay, let me re-edit it. It's audit form, AUDIT, audit form. Okay, now if I go to my Looker Studio, I don't have this audit form. Okay, I have everything: call opening, call ending, employee name, supervisor name, but I don't have the audit form. Audit count is also there. So I'll click on this Excel sheet. Done. A pop-up will get open. Let me click on edit connection. Now again I'll do reconnect. Yes, you can see here a audit form column is auto added. Apply. It will take a few seconds. Okay, now let me click on done. Let me see if the audit form column got added or not. Just a minute, it's loading. Okay, edit. You can see here audit form is already added here. Let me add into the near to the TL audit form. Okay, this is done. Let me drag it to some down. Okay, this is also done. Okay, let me see how this is looking now. View. So you can see that it's not showing in a good way, it's showing a link. We have to add a hyperlink here. How we can do this? Let me again click on edit. Okay, now what I'll do, I will add a field. Okay, I'll add a field in the left hand side. You can see a column. So right hand side you can see a column that is add field, add calculated field. Let me give a name to my field, which is form. Okay, form, and I will add some programming. The programming says hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink. If you type hy, automatically it will come as a suggestion. Now it is asking the form name, AUFIT, audit form. Something wrongly added, that is the reason it's coming like this, comma. Now what is the text you required? I required the text as AUDAT audit form. Done. Close. Before closing it, let me check either that is appeared here or not with the name of form. It's not added. Let me re-add it. Form hyperlink AUFIT audit form, comma, what is the name I required? FORM, forum. I need a name as form. Let me scroll down to check. Okay, there is no issue, which means it's correctly added. Now save. Now done. You can see here there is a one new cell added with the name of form. Let us check. Yes, form, it's added. Now what I'll do, I'll replace it with the audit form. Let me delete this and I'll choose this as a form. Okay, let me remove and let me choose where is form. Yes, here it is. Done. Now it's added. Let me do view. Yes, you can see here the form got added and automatically you can see. Now in this way you can add a hyperlink on the audit forms. I hope this is easy to create. Just we have to add a field and we have to add some programming that is known as hyperlink, a function we have to add, and we have to do few changes. Still have any doubt, let me know. But before trying this, I would request everyone to check out the previous videos so that you'll get an understanding on all the points how this dashboard was created. If you still have any doubt, share of feedbacks on comments in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out, guys. So this is all about the today's video. Check out our playlist and also check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and WhatsApp group. You will get all the information about the upcoming vacancies. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.